The northern Indian state of Himachal Pradesh was one state that had remained largely untouched by external customs, largely due to its difficult terrain. With the technological advancement, the state has changed very rapidly. Himachal Pradesh is a multi-regional, multicultural as well as a multilingual state like other Indian states. Some of the most commonly spoken language are Hindi and the various Pahari languages. The Hindu communities residing in Himachal include the Brahmins, Rajput, Kannad, Rotis and Kolis. There are also tribal population in the state which mainly comprises Gaddis, Kinams, Gujas, Pagawal and Lahaulis. Around 96% of the population of the state is of Hindus. The major communities include Brahmins, Rajputs, Chowdhuris, Kannad, Rathis and Kolis. The tribal population comprises the Gaddis, Kinars, Jadun, Tonalis, Gujars, Pangavals and Lahoulis from the Alpine pasture regions to the lower region during the cold winter season are mainly Hindus. Though Hindu is the state language, many people speak the various Western Pahari languages. A majority of population is engaged in the majority and the Muslim, Christian and Sikhs. As per the traditional dresses norms, the dresses of the Brahmin male include dhoti, kurta, coat, waistcoat, turban and a hand towel, while that of the Rajput male costume consists of the tight-fitting churidar, pajamas, a long coat and a stretched turban. With the changing time, the dress up of the people has now become a mixed one. Though the above mentioned style is now hardly followed, people have started wearing Western style of clothes. The handicraft that come out of the state are the carpet, leatherwork, shawls, metalware, woodworking and paintings. Pashmina shawl is the pretty product which is highly in demand not only in Himachal but all over the country. Colorful Himachali caps are also famous artwork of the people. A tribe, namely Dam, is expert in manufacturing bamboo items like boxes, sofas, chairs, basket, and rack. The metalware of the state include utensils, spirit vessels, idols, gold and silver jewelries. Now let us see about the music and dance. Music and dance of Himachal Pradesh reflect its cultural identity. Though their dance is music, they entreat the goods during local festival and the other special occasions. There are also dances that are specific to certain regions of the state. Some of the dance form of Himachal are Losars, Shona, Chuksam, Dangi, dance and Bura dance, Nati, Karait, Ujak, Jama, Chak and Shundo. The main dance form of Himachal Pradesh is Nati. People of the state generally prefer for music. There is no classical form of music for Himachal Pradesh is concerned. Himachali dance forms are highly varied and quite complicated. The dance are very vital part of the tribal life. It reflects the culture and tradition of the Himachal Pradesh. Hardly and festivity here is celebrated without dancing. Some of the dance forms like Dulshol, Darwish, Drovi, Dev Nartya, Dakshas Nritya, Dangi, Lasa, Nati and Nagas. Now let us see the fairs and festival. Apart from the fairs and festivals that are celebrated all over India, and there are number of fairs and festivals other than at the high point of the Himachal Pradesh. These festivals are the time of Himachalis are adorn colorful dresses and accessories to and get mixed up with rest of the kins. Some of these fairs and festivals are upper regions of the Kulu, Dussehra, Shivaratri fair, Shulini Mela. The centuries of the festival that have celebrated mainly in Shimla, Kangra, Mandi, Kulu and Solan district every year in the mid-September. It is celebrated to mark the end of the crop harvested and also the ragi thread as removed and offered to the mother Sairi. They have also a various type of dance form like that you have seen the picture, so that we can conclude that Himachal is famous for its shapes and dances. So thank you.